Hi, today I will be showing you how to make poll on Instagram. If you find this video helpful, please do leave a like and subscribe. So first things first, what you're going to do here is you have to open or launch your Instagram application. And then here you have to simply look for the story option. Here you can now create a story by tapping or just press the circle to capture. Now, in order for you to add a poll here, what you're going to do is you have to type the sticker option right here and then type or search for poll. Now, as you can see, if I'm going to tap this poll right here, you will see this sticker. Okay, so you have to tap this one, and basically you can now add or create a poll, and that's how to make a poll here on Instagram. You can ask anything, for example, which one is better. You can now start adding options and choices, for example, A, B. You can also add questions or add more options. For example, jeans, slacks. And after that, you can also change the background color. Once you're done, then tap on done. Now you can share this to your followers or to your close friends. Another way to make poll on Instagram is you can just basically exit this or go to your Instagram profile. Now you will see this plus icon above, and all you have to do is to click that one. Now you can choose if you want to post story, reel. There are some options right here. So what you're going to do is you have to simply click reel if you want to create one. So you need to tap on or select your reel right here. Then the poll option can be found once you're about to share this post. As you can see, if you scroll down here, there is poll option. You can add poll here, whatever question you want, options, tap check, and then share this. And that's how easy it is to make a poll on Instagram. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.